Carbon fiber is a material synonymous with strength, durability, and innovation. It's a marvel of modern engineering that has revolutionized industries ranging from aerospace to sports equipment. But what exactly is carbon fiber? How is it made? And why is it so versatile? In this video, we'll dive deep into the science behind carbon fiber, the intricate manufacturing process, and its impressive range of applications. Let's explore right here on History of Simple Things. To start, what is carbon fiber? At its core, carbon fiber is a polymer composed of thin strands of carbon atoms. These atoms are bonded together in a crystalline formation, creating a material that is both lightweight and incredibly strong. To give you an idea of its strength, carbon fiber is 5 times stronger than steel and twice as stiff, yet it weighs only a fraction of what steel does. This combination of properties makes it ideal for applications where weight reduction and high strength are critical. The material itself was first developed in the late 1950s and early 1960s, when researchers sought alternatives to metals for use in aircraft and other high-performance industries. Since then, it has become a staple material in cutting-edge technology. The process of making carbon fiber is fascinating and highly technical. It begins with a precursor material, typically polyacrylonitrile or PAN for short. PAN is a type of synthetic polymer that undergoes a series of chemical and physical transformations to become carbon fiber. The process starts with spinning PAN into long fibers. These fibers are then subjected to a stabilization process where they are heated to around 200–300 degrees Celsius in air. During this phase, the fibers are stretched and their molecular structure is rearranged to increase their strength and heat resistance. Next comes carbonization, the most crucial step in creating carbon fiber. The stabilized fibers are heated in an oxygen-free environment at temperatures ranging from 1,000 degrees Celsius to 3,000 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat causes most of the non-carbon elements, such as hydrogen and nitrogen, to be removed, leaving behind a highly concentrated form of carbon. The fibers are now black and brittle, but their atomic structure has transformed into tightly aligned carbon crystals. These crystals are the reason carbon fiber is so strong. They form a chain-like structure that resists stretching and breaking under stress. Once carbonized, the fibers are surface treated to enhance their ability to bond with resins or other materials. This step is critical for creating composite materials, which are the most common way carbon fiber is used. The surface-treated fibers are then coated with a resin to form what's called a prepreg, or pre-impregnated fabric. These prepregs can be molded into virtually any shape and hardened through a process called curing, which typically involves heating. The result is a lightweight, yet incredibly rigid material that can withstand extreme forces and conditions. The production process doesn't end there. Carbon fiber products often undergo additional treatments to meet specific requirements. For example, in aerospace applications, carbon fiber is often combined with other advanced materials to create hybrid composites. These composites are tailored for strength, flexibility, or resistance to heat and corrosion, depending on the application. Despite the complexity of the production process, the demand for carbon fiber has been steadily increasing, prompting manufacturers to develop more efficient and cost-effective methods of production. One of the key reasons carbon fiber has gained widespread adoption is its versatility. Let's explore some of its many uses. In the automotive world, carbon fiber has become a hallmark of luxury and performance. Supercars and hypercars often feature carbon fiber bodies, frames, and interior components to reduce weight and improve speed. For example, manufacturers like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren use carbon fiber to achieve faster acceleration, higher top speeds, and better handling. Beyond the luxury market, carbon fiber is increasingly being used in electric vehicles to improve energy efficiency by reducing overall weight. As EV technology advances, carbon fiber could become a standard material in the quest for sustainable transportation. The sports industry is another area where carbon fiber shines. From tennis rackets and golf clubs to bicycles and skis, the material is prized for its ability to provide superior performance while remaining lightweight. In cycling, carbon fiber frames have revolutionized the sport, enabling riders to achieve higher speeds with less effort. Similarly, in competitive sailing, carbon fiber is used to build masts, hulls, and even entire yachts, giving sailors a significant advantage. Medical technology has also embraced carbon fiber for its unique properties. Prosthetics made from carbon fiber are lightweight, durable, and highly customizable, making them a popular choice for both everyday use and athletic performance. In imaging equipment such as X-ray and MRI machines, carbon fiber is used to construct patient tables and support structures because it is radiolucent, meaning it does not interfere with imaging. This ensures clearer results and more accurate diagnoses. Other notable applications of carbon fiber include renewable energy, where it is used in wind turbine blades to make them lighter and more efficient. In construction, carbon fiber is utilized to strengthen concrete and reinforce buildings against earthquakes. The material even has a role in fashion and consumer electronics, appearing in everything from high-end watches to smartphone cases. Despite its incredible benefits, carbon fiber does have its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is cost. The production process is labor-intensive and requires expensive raw materials and equipment, which makes carbon fiber products relatively pricey. Additionally, while carbon fiber is incredibly durable, it is not immune to damage. Under certain conditions, such as sharp impacts, the fibers can fracture, potentially compromising the material's integrity. Efforts are being made to address these issues, including the development of more affordable precursors and recycling methods to repurpose old carbon fiber products. Carbon fiber is a material that represents the pinnacle of modern engineering. Its unique combination of lightness, strength, and versatility has made it indispensable across a wide range of industries. From helping airplanes soar more efficiently to enabling athletes to break records, carbon fiber is shaping the future in countless ways. As technology evolves and production methods improve, we can only expect its role to expand further. Whether it's revolutionizing transportation, enhancing medical devices, or contributing to sustainable energy solutions, carbon fiber is undeniably a material that defines our era. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.